Oh man, what the fuck did we get ourselves into?
Alright, so today's project, 64 is back. I did not record much with this, but I do have a bunch of pictures of, I pulled the frame out, refurbished the frame, new suspension, freshened up the engine and everything, and then it went off to get painted. We're still in the wet sanding process right now, but got the inside cleaned out. Still gotta wipe the floors down. I did already freshen up the floors and painted them, so they should clean up really well. Still haven't got to the trunk yet, but today's project so far is going to be to get it cleaned up, get the engine cleaned up, the insides, maybe start putting the interior together. Still got to kind of wait on a lot of things until the wet sanding process and the buffing process is done, but do what we can for now. So and watch it come together. An unfortunate event. We took the 9.8 for another cruise tonight, and we've been hitting it the last couple nights, but something I kind of knew was going to happen, because if you look, the oil pan sits slightly below the cross member. Sure enough, we were hopping and caught the oil pan on the ground. The aluminum doesn't have any give, and it cracked it. So the replacement we have from another engine is a steel one, chrome one. Time to pick this engine up enough to change the oil pan. So that's the next project. Let's jump into it. What a day for a project, huh? A little bit of snow. Taking a quick break on the Impala. And I guess try to knock out this oil pan. It's 30 degrees. It's wet. It's snowing. That window stopped working. And we're going to take a break and knock this out. So here's to not freezing. So let's hopefully we can get this done pretty quickly, because it is definitely cold. Getting there, getting close.
Fuck!
Just about got everything off. He's doing the bell housing bolts. Gotta pull the hood, but motor mount bolts are out. Getting there. Temperature is dropping freaking quick, so next step is to hook up the cherry picker, get it up out of there, change the oil pan. Alright, almost ready to pull it out. Naturally, I had vice grips on this to let the cherry picker down, and that shit just broke right off. Son of a bitch. Got all the bolts out, so should go smoothly from here. Not sure if we're gonna have to pull the hood yet or not, so I guess we'll just find out as we go. Watch that side, because we're gonna have to start coming forward. Okay. Let's go forward. I might be able to turn the engine sideways. We might clear the hood. I'm telling you, we're probably gonna have to take it off. Clearing that striker.
Yep.
Certainly not a new sight, but hopefully this will be in and out quick. As you can see, caught the ground one time, right on the drain plug, cracked it all the way up. Yeah, you can see a little bit better in the light, kinda. So now the plan is to ditch this aluminum one, and we got a chrome one over here. We got to clean it up. We'll grab a gasket, some RTV, and definitely get something to eat. It'll be about that time. So hopefully we can have this done tonight. Engine mount bolts are in, bell housing bolts are in. Yeah. So I'll show you the contraption I had to make for this. Pain in the ass, but stud extractor, and will get me by for now. I'll weld something on it later. So, all right. So that concludes the 4-hour oil pan job. Still got to grab some oil and coolant, and should be about done. So I'm not gonna fire it tonight. It's already 9 o'clock, so the hell with it. Fuck with it tomorrow. Another cold day out here. Working on the 98. So far so good. Got the oil in, coolant, power steering fluid. Don't know if the battery's dead. It's only been sitting for a little bit, but it was really cold, so hook the battery up and find out. Did double check the firing order and all of that, so let's see what happens. Alright, put a battery charger on it. Now let's see what happens. Not gonna put the air cleaner on just yet until I know that all the adjustments are proper, the timing and the carburetor, TV cable, all that shit. But we're gonna take it for a ride. Put the Trans Am on a charge because that's just dead batteries or normal. And I kind of suspect that full throttle isn't exactly full throttle, but I'm gonna need a hand. So I'm going to wait till E gets here and he'll push the throttle pedal down. Then I'll make sure the carburetor's at full throttle, and if it's not, we'll have to make some adjustments with that too. So yeah, let's get this turd out of the driveway. Everything seems good with the 98. Oil pan is further from the ground. No issues there. Let the TA run for a little bit. Let it charge up the battery. I can hear it popping a little bit too. The tune is definitely off. That'll all have to be redone with the new engine and everything. So time to get back on this. Stack some new parts. So that'll be for another day. Till next time.